Hello, this is a quick demo of a new feature I've just released at PipeOps. The name of the feature is called Firewall Rule, and it exists both for projects and as well as add-ons. So let me just show you a quick demo of how the feature works. So currently we have a deployed project, and what I just need to do is need to click on the project, go to settings, and on the list of settings we have here, you can see Firewall Rules. Now if you can't find this on your settings, what you need to do is just need to enable this new feature. You go to your feature preview and toggle this on. Now what does Firewall Rule do? Firewall will help us manage network control access to our project, both for inbound and outbound traffic. So for this demo, let me just demo how inbound traffic works. Now these are projects. If I should click on view projects, this is the project that we are currently looking at. This is the deployed URL. Now anyone on the internet can have access to this project, but now we want to limit such access. What we can do is we can just add private here, close this and click on save. You can see from the place so that you can add your IP address and some other keywords. So we'll just give it a few minutes for this to deploy. Now this is deployed. If I should go back to my deployed project and refresh, you see I no longer have access to this project. So if I want to regain access just for only me, what I need to do is I already have my IP address copied. I just need to paste it, click on enter and save this. Now we'll give a few minutes for it to deploy. If I should go back to my deployed projects and I refresh, say I now have access to this project, but no other person will have access to this project since the IP address is not included here and this is set to private. So that's about inbound traffic. Now outbound traffic. Outbound traffic control traffic going out from your project. So for this, what we can do is we'll test this in our terminal. So I go to terminal. If I should do call version, you can see I have call. So if I should do call /i google.com, you see that from my project I have access to Google. I can be able to make a request from my project to Google. So if I want to limit requests that my project can access, that I can make out from my project in terms of outbound traffic, what I can do is I can make this private and maybe add some ports to this, and you notice after this we no longer have access to make calls. So I need to set the protocol. So we give a few minutes for it to deploy. And now if I should go back, let me clear my terminal. Now if I should do the same thing I did previously, google.com, you see I keep pressing enter. I no longer have access to be able to make an outbound call to Google because of the sources that I've set on my outbound traffic configuration. So that's it about Firewall Rule. Basically you can set different sources for your inbound and outbound traffic.